If you experience persistent bodily pain or mysterious symptoms for which the diagnosis has been either vague or inconclusive, you may be suffering from a poorly understood but extremely widespread condition known as pelvic torsion. I'm Stephen O'Dwyer, and for over 30 years I've specialized in treating all types of unexplained pain, including elusive conditions such as pelvic torsion. This condition can be responsible for a wide array of hard-to-diagnose pain and mysterious symptoms. Why? Because pelvic torsion is a common misalignment of the two pelvic bones, and that results in what we call a functional leg length discrepancy. This discrepancy knocks the body off its center line of balance and triggers a chain reaction of muscular compensations up through the body as it struggles to keep itself upright in gravity. Muscle compensations can not only cause pain in the pelvic region, low back, and sacroiliac joints, but also in the upper body, the shoulders, neck, and head, and can even contribute to conditions like chronic headaches and migraines. If treatment you've received has been unsuccessful or only temporarily relieving, if exercises that once felt beneficial are now just aggravating so that you feel kind of imprisoned within your own body, you may be caught in the grip of pelvic torsion. But there is a way out of this problem, and I'm happy to be able to share it with you. I now offer a self-paced online course specifically designed to resolve this complex issue. It's called the Postural Blueprint for Correcting Pelvic Torsion, the complete guide to restoring pelvic balance. This step-by-step program has been distilled from many years of research and clinical practice with my own clients and provides a comprehensive solution that you won't find anywhere else. The feedback from those who have completed the course has been incredibly gratifying. Participants have described their outcomes with phrases like vast improvements, pain cycle broken, and even changed my life. I don't share these comments to try to impress you, but to impress upon you that this issue can be remedied. To help you decide if this course is right for you, I offer the first 5 lessons completely free with no obligation whatsoever. For those in search of an effective and lasting solution for this problem, I guarantee you will find no better roadmap than the Postural Blueprint for Correcting Pelvic Torsion. I hope you will join me so I can help you to feel better now.